Wondering why a defrost heater element keeps burning out? I replace the one in a Westinghouse upside-down fridge/freezer almost every year.
I would suggest looking at the defrost termination thermostat. It could be that the heater is staying on longer than it should. If you would furnish me with your model number, I can get more specific information for you. And thank you for using the service. Clayton 57114129756369666088.
Model is Westinghouse Aurora BJ414MR.
I tried to look some more information, but the model number is XXXXX coming up, but based on information I already am sure of is that the thermostat shuts off power to the heater at a specified temperature around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. I would advise you to change this thermostat if you have been burning up heaters. I would also check and make sure the heater is securely fastened in place. Let me know what you find. Also, if you would please check the model number again so I can get the correct specifications and part number.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.